Here is a free utility we are offering so you can quickly modify existing color themes or create brand new ones. Originally built for Wizards Toolkit and MaterializeCSS, this can easily be modified for any HTML and CSS library. It uses JScolor and some fancy JavaScript to modify colors in real time. The HTML page is built to show all the major elements we use of materialize.css. The basic concept is your library will have a core CSS file. For us, that's materialize.css. We want to override their default colors and make some minor enhancements. So we created a wtkGlobal.css file with the global overrides. We wanted both a light theme and a dark theme option. So we created a wtkLight.css and a wtkDark.css. Then we wanted to overlay different color themes. So we created several wtk, color name here, CSS files, which are nothing but a set of CSS variables. By listing them in this order in your HTML, it properly sets up everything. So this utility allows you to pick any of the CSS files in the folder and see how the page will look. This requires the CSS file to start with wtk and excludes our light, dark, and wtkGlobal files. You can then modify each of the main color types and see immediately what the effect is in both light and dark mode. When you have a color theme you like, you can save it. Using that though, you'll be able to easily modify it for other HTML and CSS libraries like Bootstrap or whatever you're using. Download the free utility at wizbits.me/CSS Maker. That page will also send you a link where you can generate CSS color themes without needing any PHP. This is brought to you by Wizards Toolkit, the PHP, SQL, and JavaScript low-code development library. Like if this has helped, and subscribe for more on the business of programming. Subscribe for more on the business of programming.